4 years ago, we glued a patch panel into place using SEM impact resistant adhesive. Today, we're going to MIG weld the other side. Here's a quick shot of it before we get started. This is in front of the wheel and behind the wheel. Down low, we're going to use the whole patch, but this is all good metal, so we're going to take a shortcut and go right through here. We'll be overlapping, so I just made sure I wouldn't cut too far. We're going to cut inside that yellow tape. This is the bit we'll use to cut the sheet metal. We'll fix this inner wheel well up with a patch that looks something like this. We'll weld it right along here. We'll cut the excess off later. Something that looks like this. Welded right along there, and then cut these slots and bend those sections over so that it matches up to the patch panel. Now we'll just trim off any excess and shape it up. Seam seal this and paint it. Before welding, it's a good idea to screw it into place and make sure you have it exactly where you want it. The lap joint would be about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, and you can set the nozzle right down on your work, about a 45-degree angle, and squeeze the trigger. To keep the metal from warping or distorting, you'll want to put a weld here, then over here, here, and just alternate going back and forth. Don't get one area too hot. We'll be using a 36 grit or 24 grit fiber resin disc to prepare the metal for welding. Here's the welder settings, and the gas is set at 20 CFH. Now we can remove the screws and then weld up these little sections. We'll do a section over here and go back to here, back over here, keep the metal cool, and you can put the welds right next to each other or leave them a little bit separated. The next step is to lightly grind the welds down and the rest of the area with a 24 or 36 grit fiber resin disc on slow speed. Tap the seam down, fill, prime, and paint. For now though, I hope you enjoyed this video on MIG welding large patch panels. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.